Hey everyone, I'm Camden.
I'm Prince.
Let's go have a look at our office.
Let's go.
Alright, here's our building. Let's go upstairs. Before we move to our new office, let's go see where PROT began.
Let's go in.
Alright everybody, here we have our meeting room where all the employees come together and brainstorm some more ideas about what PROT is going to be doing in the future, and also how else can we bring PROT to the people. So let's keep on going. And this area is where anybody who wants to learn more about PROT can come learn about it. They can come sit down and we'll have a nice lecture for anybody else who wants to learn. Here we got our kitchen where we make the freshest coffee. And in these other offices we have the president's office where he comes on in, works really hard on PROT to get us up to the top. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed our nice little tour of the office, and I can't wait to show you our new one.
Bye.
Bye!